What is wisdom all about?
What is wisdom all about? Wisdom gives us the laws which govern our lives. When we said principles, what are these principles? Principles are laws, and when I say a law, laws are different to opinions. Me as an individual have an opinion. You as an individual may have an opinion. So everybody has an opinion about life, about many things. But that wisdom is not opinions of people. These are facts, laws of life. And there is a profound difference in those two. Just like science presents the laws which governs the world. There are various laws, physical laws, chemical laws, biological laws, physiological laws, psychological laws, and so on. The various laws which govern the world, and science presents them in a very scientific manner. So also wisdom presents the laws which govern a human life. So if you take that approach to understanding wisdom, it's not wrong to say science is an organized knowledge.
Well put.
Whereas wisdom is organized life.
Very well said. Very well said.
So what is wisdom all about? It is about an organized branch of knowledge, giving you it in the most scientific manner for any independent inquirer to find out and explore what it is.